Hi students, how are you? Good? Okay. So what did we do in the last class? Yes, we read the unit 1, chapter number 3 of bamboo curry. Now, let us underline the hard words of the chapter and let us do the exercise also. Okay. So all of you have to write the hard words in your notebook. I will underline the hard words over here and you have to write it in your notebook. Is it clear? You have to write it 2 times in your notebook so that you learn these words very nicely. How will you write? First, you will write today's date. In literature notebook, okay? Not in grammar notebook. Then you will write bamboo curry. You will write the heading. Okay. And then you will give the heading as, you will make a star and you will write hard words. Then you write 1, 2, 3, and so on. So the first hard word here you will write whatever word I am underlining over here, okay? So the first word you will write is mother-in-law. First hard word is mother-in-law. You have to write 2 times. One time when I am teaching right now. And when the video is over, you have to write one more time. So how will you write? I have underlined mother-in-law. So you pause the video, write mother-in-law, and then again you play the video. Okay? Like this we will do it. The second is Santhal. The third is bridegroom. Every time I speak, you have to pause the video and write down the word, okay? The fourth is delicious. Then pointed. Then bamboo door. Bamboo door एक साथ लिखेंगे. Bamboo door. Remembered. Village. Removed. Carrying. Reaching. Curry. These many words on this page. So you pause it, write all the words, and then we'll go ahead, okay? Yes, written. Okay, let's come to the next page. Again, you will continue from there only, right? Shocked. Chopping. Boiled. Tasted. Laughed. Foolishness. And shoot. Clear? So these are the hard words of chapter number 3, bamboo curry. You pause the video, write all the words of this page. Okay? Done? Okay. Now what will you do? Now you will write all the hard words one more time. Okay? So now again you pause the video and start writing the hard words one more time. So you have to write hard words 2 times. Okay. Now let's go ahead. Let's do the exercise. This exercise you have to do in the notebook. You have to write it in your notebook. So write question 1. Complete the sentences meaningfully. Then you write first. The bridegroom left with the door of his in-laws' house because it was made of. What was the door made of? Yes, the door was made of bamboo. Excuse me. Because it was made of bamboo and there was no bamboo in his village. Okay, so you will write this whole fill in the blank. Come on, pause the video and start writing. Okay. The second is the bridegroom was unable to have bamboo curry in the end because it was hard. The bamboo curry was very, very hard. He could not eat it. Come on, pause the video and write fast. Okay. Now write question 2, word hunt. We have to fill in the blanks with words from the story. The bridegroom went to his, where did he go? In-laws' house. Next is the mother-in-law pointed. Okay, you will delete one blank. There is only one blank. There are not 2 blanks over here. Okay, delete this. The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. He stayed the night at his in-laws. He carried the bamboo door. In one blank you will write bamboo and in the second blank you will write door. He carried the bamboo door back with him. The curry was made from bamboo shoots. Clear? So please pause the video and complete this exercise in your notebook. In our literature notebook, first language notebook, not the grammar notebook. Is it clear? Good. So pause the video and complete it. Okay. So that is all for today. You have to complete it before our class on Friday. And on Friday, we will start with the workbook. So keep your workbook with you, okay? Till then, bye. Take care. Have a nice day.